Hey, what's going on? Coach D here, and welcome to Lucid Vitality's Tai Chi 24 form movement breakdown. Today we're working on Repulse Monkey, and we're going to review White Stork Spreads Wings, Brush Knee, and Playing the Pipa. All right, let's get to it. And we start with White Stork Spreads Wings. So we were reviewing from last video, White Stork Spreads Wing, Brush Knee, and Playing the Pipa. So White Stork Spreads Wings, we finished in the posture where we have our left foot forward, right leg back, weights on the back leg, knees bent. You're sinking into the ground here in the back. We have our right hand up and our left hand down. We have palm down on the left towards our waist, and we want the right hand about ear and temple, about the eye height. Turn the body to the left, hand comes down. Turn the body to the right, wave the right hand down, back behind you, rotate palm up, left hand palm down. Bring the foot back, start our next movement, step out, shift the weight forward, turn the body, and extend. There are a couple ways you can do the brush knee, the way that we went through in the video, which is a push through, where you step at a 45 and you keep the energy pushing, and you push and reach through. You could also do a similar step to parting wild horse's mane, where you shift the weight back, then turn out to the 45, replace the weight, then push through. Next is playing the pipa. So depending on which step you end with for your brush knee would determine which step you take for your playing the pipa. Example being, you finish your brush knee with the left foot forward. So instead of taking the left foot behind, like we did before, what you're going to do is take the right foot and step up. One thing I did not cover on the last one was making sure you're stepping at an angle after the hidden step. You did your brush knee, hidden step at an angle, or hidden step at an angle. Okay, next we're going to work on Repulse Monkey. So for our Repulse Monkey, we've ended with playing the pipa, as we're saying. I'll face this way. We're going to extend our lead hand out towards the horizon. And we're going to take our backhand down towards the waist. As we do, we're going to then bring the front foot up and then step back behind us, connecting the ball of the foot. Shift our weight to the back. Then we're going to bring the backhand past the ear as we turn the body back forward here and pull and push. So we're here, we extend, and we lift and step. We're going to keep our eyes on our front hand, our lead hand. All right, let's put it all together. So from playing the pipa, our right foot's forward, left leg's back. We got our right hand on top, left hand on bottom. We then extend our right hand out, bring the left hand down, lift the leg, step back, shift the weight back, pull and push, sit down, repeat, down, connect, shift the weight, push and pull,